It's on page 15. We've got a sample of argon gas that occupies a volume of 176 mil. Well, red flag there straight away for chemistry, isn't it? That we have to change our volume into litres. So we're going to call that V1, and it's going to have to be 0.176 litres. The temperature is 16 degrees Celsius. Again, another red flag for our gas calculations. We need to convert that into Kelvin. And if you look on your formula sheets, you can see that 0 degrees Celsius is 273 degrees Kelvin. And so we need to add 273 to find out our temperature in Kelvin. What volume will it occupy if the temperature is increased to 45 degrees Celsius? So T2, 45 degrees Celsius, 45 plus 273 gives us 318 Kelvin. And we're finding the second volume. So we've got V1 on T1 is equal to V2 on T2. And we're finding V2, so I'll rearrange that. V2 is equal to V1 times T2 on T1. V2 then is equal to 0.176 times T2. T2 is 318 divided by 289. And we get then 0.194 litres, and because our volume was given in the question in mils, we can then also express it as 194 mils. But really, I think either of those would be acceptable.